Now this is the another project that is made by Jasprit Singh. So this is the transmitter of that project. This is also a car that is operated via this joystick and this NRF module, and this module contains a joystick, and another one is this is the Arduino Uno, and this is giving supply to this transmitter that is connected to another, and that is received at the another end. This is powered by this laptop. This could be powered by any other power source like lipo battery or any other power source. And this is the similar car that we have used earlier. This car has this now we are using, previously we have used this module and this module. Now we are using this motor driver and the Arduino, which is connected to this receiver end of this NRF module. So now we are going to show you the working of this model.